This video explains how to complete the Dr. Chu video series journal assignments. The objectives of this assignments are to help you come up with strategies for optimizing student learning and to implement learning practices to improve student achievement. So the Dr. Chu video series contains information about understanding how you learn and applying information into your studying and test-taking routine. Dr. Chu's videos are full of important and useful tips that can help you be successful in college. Here is a link to the Dr. Chu video website if you'd like to check that out. There's lots of good resources here. The videos are here as well. And so for this assignment, you will watch two videos. There is the introduction video and the first video of the series. So after watching both videos, you'll answer 6 questions, 3 about the introduction video and 3 about the first video. When you're ready to answer those questions, you'll click on the link. And you'll hit Create Journal Entry. It's okay just to type your name in here. And then you'll complete your responses. So again, the responses are the questions are here. So here are some tips about how to be prepared to answer these questions to save you time and make sure that your answers are clear and succinct. So I've opened up a Word document and I've pasted the questions here. And as I watch this video, I can take notes. It's possible to watch the video while you take notes, so that's one strategy. Some people like to take notes by hand. That's fine too. So knowing what you're supposed to answer while you're watching the video is beneficial because you already know what you're going to say before you're ready to respond, and so it's just a way of collecting your ideas. And so as you watch, just generate some notes here, and then when you're ready to respond, you'll click on the link and create your journal entry. Answer here and post entry. It's also okay if you copy the questions and put them in your journal, if that helps. So if you want to do it this way, that's fine too. Copy and paste. I wouldn't recommend going through the trouble of typing out all of the questions, but I just simply copied and pasted the questions in there. Just make sure that you answer it here. And post your entry. And that is all.